Hello?
Yeah, hi sir, this is David calling from US Healthcare Solution. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm good to see you. Thanks for asking, sir. Sir, this call is about your Medicare plan. I do believe you have Medicare Part A and Part B.
Yes.
And how old are you? What is your date of birth?
I was born a poor child, Christmas Day, year of our Lord, 1942. When I was born, the Battle of Stalingrad was raging in Russia, and it was Franklin Roosevelt's third term in office.
So what is your date of birth?
December 25, 1942. My mother said I was a Christmas gift to the world in the middle of a world war.
Oh, so how do you pronounce your name, sir? Your first and last name?
My first name is pronounced Robert, and my last name is pronounced Grinnell.
Brunel. And are you take care of yourself or somebody assist you?
I've been taking care of myself ever since I was thrown out of assisted living last year for allegedly touching a nurse's rear end.
Oh, okay.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
This is Alex calling you from the US Healthcare Center. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
I am good. Thank you for asking. It is a confirmation call for you. Are you still using your old Medicare card or do you have a new one?
Well, I received one about 7 years ago. It was new then.
Okay, the reason for this call is to let you know that the benefits on your Medicare card are going to expire soon. So that's why we are here to update them so you can use the same card for the next upcoming 5 years with new and updated benefits on it. Sounds good to you?
Yes.
To activate the new benefits for you, can you please go and grab your blue, white and red card in your hand so I can update the benefit for you?
Okay, it's upstairs. It'll take a few moments for me to get there. You move a bit slow when you're 79, so I'm climbing the stairs.
Okay, no problem. I'm holding a line for you. Take your maximum time.
Excuse me, that happens every time I smoke ganja. Just another set of stairs.
No problem, sir. Take your maximum time. I'm holding a line for you.
Let me dig in my drawer.
Okay, sir.
Get on my reading glasses. So my number is 1, E as in echo, G as in golf.
Sir, can you repeat for your medical claim number for me?
Yes. Yes, so I'm reading.
Slowly for me.
Okay, so going left to right, it's 1, E as in echo, G as in golf, 4, T as in tango, E as in echo, 5, M as in Mike, K as in kilo, 7, 2.
Sir, I am repeating your medical claim number for you. I am getting 2 correct. Okay?
Okay.
1 as a number. E as a alphabet. G as an alphabet. 4 as a number. T as an alphabet.
Yes.
5 as a number. M as alphabet. K as alphabet. 7 as a number and 2 as a number. Right, sir?
Yes.
Can you please tell me your first and last name for me?
My first name is Robert, and my last name is Grinnell.
Can you please spell your name?
So my first name is spelled R as in Romeo, O as in Oscar, B as in Bravo, E as in Echo, R as in Romeo, T as in Tango, My last name is spelled G as in golf, R as in Romeo, I as in India, N as in November, N as in November, E as in Echo, L as in Lima, L as in Lima.
Okay. Just wait a second, sir. I'm checking your eligibility in my records.
Okay.
Sir, can you please tell me your family doctor name?
Spell my family name. It's G as in golf,
Sir,
R as in Romeo.
tell me your family doctor name.
Yes, my last name. So it's spelled G as in golf, R as in Romeo, I as in India, N as in November, N as in November, E as in Echo, L as in Lima, L as in Lima. Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Hello? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Oh, hi, sir. Good day. How are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm good too. Thank you for asking. By the way, sir, my name is Angel, calling from the Good Health Pharmacy. Are you now ready to refill your medication?
Am I late on my medication, you asked?
Are you taking any kind of medication?
Yes, I'm taking insulin for my diabetes. I had to have all my toes cut off. My friends call me Stubby.
Oh, sorry to hear that. By the way, sir, are you willing to refill your medication so that I can give you $20 discount plus 20 extra pills?
I'm sorry, you asked me if I have the name of the medication?
No, sir. I'm just asking if you are now ready to refill your medication.
Oh, yes, sure. I wouldn't mind refilling the medication,
For how many pills would you like to get that?
Oh, 90.
Okay, hold on. Let me just check it, okay?
Okay.
Okay, hold on. Hello, sir.
Yes.
Is that a injection?
Yeah, it's that medication, yes.
Hello?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, sorry for that. It is a glucose.
Yes, it's exactly that.
Okay, hold on. waiting for my manager's reply.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Hello, sir.
Yes.
Okay, for that medicine, sir, you can get the 180 pills for only $150.
Okay. What do I have to do to get it?
We will going to ship that, sir.
Okay.
Okay, it's from overseas, sir. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, good to hear that. Okay, for that, sir, how are you going to pay for this one?
Can I pay with my Medicare card?
We accept card, e-check, and PayPal.
Can I pay with my Masturbate card?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Can I get the 16 digits of your card?
Okay. So my Masturbate card is upstairs. It'll take a few moments for me to get there. You move a bit slow when you're 79 years old. So I'm climbing the stairs.
It's okay. I am willing to wait. Go and get your card.
Bleh, bleh. Excuse me, it happens every time I smoke ganja. Just another set of stairs.
It's okay.
Let me dig through my drawer here. Let me get on my reading glasses.
Okay. It's okay, sir. You don't need to feel sorry, okay? I understand.
So this is my Masturbate card number. My Masturbate card number is 5392038294. I'm sorry, let me start over left to right. So my Masturbate card number is 5392.
Hold on.
Then 09488399. And the
And the last 4 digits.
Yeah, the last 4 digits are 8399.
Can you just repeat it again?
So going left to right, my Masturbate card number is 5392038209488399.
Okay, let me just repeat it again, okay? Your 16 digit is 5392038209488399. Is that correct?
Yes, that's my Masturbate card number.
Okay, hold on. Let me just verify that one, okay?
Okay.
Okay, good. It's valid. Okay, for that, sir, can I get now your card expiry date?
It's 06/23.
How about the CVV, the 3 digits of the back of your card?
It's 340.
340. Okay, good. And how about the name of your card?
The first name on the card is Robert, and the last name on the card is Grinnell.
Can you spell the last name for me?
So it's spelled G as in golf, R is in Romeo, I is in India, N is in November, N is in November, E as in Echo, L is in Lima, L is in Lima.
Okay, it's Robert Grinnell. On your card, is there middle initial showing on the card?
Yes, O is in Oscar.
Okay, it's was in Oscar. Good to hear that. Okay. For that, sir, now can I get your shipping address?
My shipping address is 5500 Calhoun Street, Unit 13, Dearborn, Michigan, 48126.
Can you just repeat it again?
So it's 5500 Calhoun Street,
Can
Unit.
you spell that for me?
So Calhoun is spelled C is in Charlie, A is in Alpha, L is in Lima, H in Hotel, O is in Oscar, U is a uniform, N is in November. It's the same last name as a famous senator from South Carolina before the Civil War.
Hold on. Calhoun Street, right?
Yes.
And how about your city? Can I get your city?
My CP? Do you
Yeah.
mean zip code?
No, city first.
CP? I don't know what a CP is.
Your city.
Do you mean my zip code?
City. Like for example, a win. Oh, hold on. City as in C as in cod, I as in India, T as in Tang, Y as in Yang.
Oh, city. Okay, it's Dearborn.
Can you spell that for me?
So D is in Delta, E is in Echo, A is in Alpha, R is in Romeo, B is in Bravo, O is in Oscar, R is in Romeo, N is in November.
Okay, now how about your state?
It's Michigan.
Can you spell that for me?
So M is in Mike, I is in India, C is in Charlie, H in Hotel, I is in India, G is in Golf, A is in Alpha, N is in November.
Okay, and how about your zip code?
48126.
It's 48127, is that correct?
No, 48126.
Okay, 6. Okay, can you just repeat your shipping address so that I can get it correctly?
So it's 5500 Calhoun Street, Unit 13, Dearborn, Michigan, 48126.
Unit 13. Okay, let me just repeat it again, okay?
Okay.
5500 Calhoun Street, Unit 13. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. It's from Michigan, 48126. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. For that, sir, your shipping address same as the billing address?
Yes.
Okay, good to hear that. Okay, for that, I will now go into process your package, okay?
Okay.
Then your tracking number will be available 24 to 48 hours. And once your tracking number is available, I will go into reach you again. When is the best time to call you again?
It's after 5 p.m. because then I'm finished with playing bingo at the senior center, and I'm finished with watching the Golden Girls on TV, and I'm finished with sitting on the park bench and feeding bread to the birds.
Okay, do you have email address so that I can easily email you instead of calling you?
Yes, it's R as in Romeo, O as in Oscar, B as in Bravo, E as in Echo, R as in Romeo, T as in Tango, O as in Oscar, M as in Mike, E as in Echo, R as in Romeo, G as in Golf, R as in Romeo, I as in India, N as in November, N as in November, E as in Echo, L as in Lima, L as in Lima, @ G as in Golf, M as in Mike, A as in Alpha, I as in India, L as in Lima, dot, C as in Charlie, O as in Oscar, M as in Mike.
Oh, hold on. I'm having a hard time to understand you. Okay, it's Robert.
Then Omer, spelled O as in Oscar, M as in Mike, E as in Echo, R as in Romeo, then my last name at gmail.com.
Okay. Okay, let me just repeat it again, okay?
Okay.
Your email address is robertomergrinel@gmail.com.
Yes.
Okay, with the spell of R as in Romeo, O as in Oscar, B as in Bravo, E as in Echo, R as in Romeo, T as in Tom, O as in Oscar, M as in Mama, E as in Echo, R as in Romeo, G as in Gun, R as in Romeo, I as in India, N as in Nancy, N as in Nancy, E as in Echo, L as in Lima @gmail.com.
Yes.
Okay, good to hear that. Okay, sir, please take note of this, okay?
Okay.
After this conversation, can you just call your bank and tell them that the one who will charge your card is Epic Enterprises with Canadian dollar.
Okay.
Can you just repeat it again?
So you said Agent Enterprise, like secret agent?
No, sir, it's Epic. E as in Echo, P as in Papa, I as in India, and C as in Cat.
Oh, Epic Enterprises, like to go on an epic
Yes.
adventure.
Yes, Epic Enterprises with Canadian dollar.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much for that. And don't worry, I will going to reach you again once I've already updated about your package.
Okay.
Right now, I am going to process your package, your insulin, for the
Okay.
$180. Okay, thank you very much, sir. Take care, okay?
Okay.
And don't forget my name. I am your agent, Angel.
Okay.
Okay. Bye, Sir Robert.
Bye-bye.
Please.
तुम कहाँ से अब करना है? Hello.
Hello.
Hi, this is Peter and I'm calling from American Chapter Relief Center. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
Okay, great. Well, I'm calling a record to help you consolidate your credit card and other unsecured debt which you may have.
I have lots of credit card debt.
Okay, have a nice day.
But don't you want to service me? Don't you want to
Yes,
offer
sir.
me? Don't you want to offer me a special deal? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello, this is Sarah. I am a Medicare health plan advisor on a recorded line. Can you hear me okay?
Yes.
Press 1 to be removed. Well, I am with one of the providers for Medicare Health Center, and based on our records, I show that you may qualify for information for ways to reduce or even eliminate the cost of senior experience. I have a few things to go over with you, okay?
Okay.
Are you at least 64 years of age?
Yes.
currently have Medicare Part A and B active right now?
Yes!
Everything looks great thus far. Let me get the information in my system here. Just a minute while I do that.
Okay.
Okay, great. Now it looks like you do qualify to speak with one of our specialists who can connect you with one of our licensed agents to go over this more in detail with you, okay?
Okay.
Hi, this is Anthony. How are you doing today?
I'm
Your
okay.
maximum-
I'm okay. How are you? Oh, I heard a whoosh sound. Are you there?
You have been kicked from this conference.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yeah, hey, my name is Jason from US Life. How you doing?
I'm okay. How are you? How can I help you? Is this about final expense? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Hi, sir. This is Eliana calling from
How can I help you? So how can I help you today? Is this about final expense? Is this about Medicare? Are you from Rawalpindi? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello, hi. This is Daniel. I'm calling from USA.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello, this is James. I am with American Benefits on a recorded line. How you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you so much for asking. How old are you?
79.
I'm calling to inform you about a new low-cost final expense insurance plan that's going to cover 100% of your final expenses. Now, I have one last question for you. Have you ever been diagnosed with any major or minor health issues, such as like Alzheimer's, dementia, high blood pressure, diabetes, or even cancer?
No.
Awesome. You're qualifying just fine. So let me quickly bring one of my insurance specialists on the phone, and they'll tell you exactly what kind of benefit you qualify for. Just a second.
Oh, I heard a whoosh sound. Is someone still there?
Just a moment for me, okay?
Okay. Anyone still there?
How's the weather where you at?
Oh, it's warm outside. For once, my bones don't hurt. You don't want to... Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Hi, I'm Alex. I'm calling from Senior Banningford. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And by the way, sir, the reason of my call is letting you know, often your low-cost final expense insurance program that has just been approved in your state and designed to cover 100% of your personal and burial expenses. So I have a best licensed agent on the line. They will give you more information and help you to better understand so how this affordable plan can benefit you and your family as well. So would you like to listen more about it, right?
Yes, I look forward to speaking with the licensed secret agent.
Okay. So how old are you?
I'm 79. So 79. I'm sorry, are you still there? Hello?
Yes.
Okay, so I look forward to speaking with... Hello? Hello?